What do you plan to do if this whole dream of yours doesn't work out?
It doesn't even enter my conscience.
Alright, so gonna put that splash seal back on, get this in, and try to clean up some of the tools. So, and then the oil change, obviously, if it needs it. Because again, I'm not trying to waste oil if I don't have to. So, start with this, I guess. Yeah, that didn't even pop back in, so I know the hood latch is still fucked up. I'm gonna pull the car up a little bit just so I'm in the shade. You know what I mean? Oh, look, here's the car wash thing I was telling you guys about. This is from months ago, though. How much everything is. Gold, silver, plat, plus, and fucking basic, bitch. Alright. Glass is fogged up immediately. Gotta move all this shit, otherwise I'm gonna trip to do that last. Because now that the hood's open, 100% gotta change the latch. I don't want the hood falling on me. So, alright, let's get to fucking and these bolts off. So what these do. Some dude said this should spin off, so. Alright, we'll put these bolts. Let's open this up inside of the pack itself. Bang, bang. There. I really don't want to have to go in there and take that whole shit off, so. Pliers always work. Yeah, just gotta get going out the way, boy. There we go. That bitch is on there. There we go. This is why I couldn't get this thing off last time. That ass, because I thought this was a clip. That thing's the last thing holding it in. Yeah, I gotta take that off. Didn't think I would actually need to take that off. Alright. Gonna be alright. There we go. I didn't have to take none of the bottom shit off. Alright, now this comes out. Oh man, I want to wear gloves and I forgot about it. And this pops off. Where does that pop off at, though? I don't know. I don't want to end the video though because oh, just like that. All right. Boom, boom. We're out, baby. We're out. Don't break on me. Screwdriver. I wanted to wear gloves and I forgot the screws. I need to get another toolbox like the one I showed you guys. That's garbage, that one right there. I'm sick of grabbing that shit. Another toolbox. I showed you guys what I'm gonna get at Walmart. Because it's got enough for everything I need in it. Try and get this out without frying the clip. Come on. Like, bro, what are we doing, my guy? How is it not? There we go. Boom. We're done, boys. Flip up because it'll stop recording after 12 minutes, and I don't want that. I hate recording with these, unless I'm driving because the quality is just that bad. But I sort of have to because I don't want to be touching my phone, getting it dirty, and then I can't record everything the way I want to. Yeah. So first thing is get this plug, and I forget where this bitch was. I think it was. Let me see. We still got that. It came out, and it was right into there. Wow, what a moron, bro. It's supposed to go through this and pop out here and then go onto the front, clip onto the front. What a moron, dude. So now this is going to have nowhere to go because it's got to go up against this fucking thing, dude. And it's going to pinch the fuck out the wire. I'm just going to plug it in and we'll figure it out. What a moron, dude. It's gonna pinch that fucking wire. I don't want it to, but it's going to. Alright, now I gotta put this cap back on to hold it. And then after this, we'll check the oil. And then we'll put I just want to go back in all the way because the fucking thing's longer than it's supposed to be. Alright, oops. Let's put this back in. Oh, duh. That's why it's longer than it's supposed to be. This doesn't go in until there. So, there. My boy. Motherfucker, get in. Get in there. Get in that. Get in that. Get in that. Why isn't it? Duh. That's what. Alright, now we're good. Now I can put this in. I'm not gonna be able to tighten it fully because I got to my knees. I'm gonna get longer ones. So these. There we go. Alright, I'm just gonna hand tighten all of these. I'll go in there. Alright. Right. Where'd that plastic go? Where'd that plastic go? Right here. Oh yeah, I got to put that in first. I'll do that after this. Oh man, bro, I forgot to put this in. That's just always something. Come on. Alright. Bam, boy. Now we're in it. Come on. You can do it. Try to get right in there. There we go. Don't want to do this the wrong way again. I'll twist it the wrong way. So, I'll get that way. Don't mess with that, sir. Yeah, these two bolts. And tighten everything. Alright, let's crank these ones in. It's already starting to feel like fall, dude, and it's only July 25th. That's actually kind of crazy. Yeah, this one goes over there. I just gotta put that in. So I'll take that until after I get the paper one in. I mean, a plastic one in. I did the headlight restoration in May. It's already fucking yelling up again. That's kind of crazy. Alright. Get the plastic thing in. And put it right here. I like how Lexus, like, straight up, like, protects. Come on. Like, that clip's gotta go in there. I didn't get anything last time. There we go. Alright, now we start tightening shit down. Tighten off. I'm not all the way tightened yet. Got one more bolt somewhere. I know one goes right there. Oh yeah, right there. Yeah, I just sprayed some extra on because car wash wouldn't do it. Car wash didn't put any on. I had to put all my own. I mean, they did, but I was paid for it and they didn't do it. Last bolt. All I gotta do is put the undercarriage thing on. Okay. Just close it one time so it can adjust. But I want this to be a little bit tighter. All right, let's try to close it. All right, let's close it. Perfect. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Hold up. No, I don't want to open. I love life, bro. Now I gotta use pliers to try to open it. Life is great. I'm gonna figure this out and I'll get back to you guys. All right, let's find a paper towel or something. Check the oil. I mean, I really do want to change it, but I don't want to waste money if I don't got to. That's still looking pretty clean for 2,300 miles, guys. That Restore and Protect, bro, I swear by that oil now because this shit was black, straight black, bro. After 900 miles, my first 2 oil changes, which I use Mobile 1 Extended Performance. After this is my 3rd use of it, and it's pretty fucking clean, dude, for 2,300 miles. So I'm gonna put this on the car, and I'm gonna debate changing it. I don't know. It's like a half quart load, so I have a half a quart I could put in here. I'm gonna think about it. I don't need to because it's actually pretty fucking clean. I'm gonna put that thing on, and I'll go inside and think about it. Leave the car jacked up, so if I do want to do it, I can do it. But I'm not filming that because this video is long already. That's simple, easy shit to put on, so I'm gonna put that on real quick. Alright, so I figured out the problem. I tightened everything down and adjusted a little bit. Still was it was still slow to go. I noticed there was like no grease in there, so I'm gonna spray some WD-40 in there. And then I'm putting that on. I'm not gonna film putting that on. I'm gonna film checking the oil real quick after I'm done with this, so you guys will know if I'm doing an oil change or not. But yeah, the fuck is this? Oh, duh, it's old Latch. Scared the shit out of me, boy. Spray some WD-40 in there. I probably should have done this first. I don't want too much in there because this isn't like white lithium grease or anything like that. That's what you technically need. So all right, there it is. I hear it draining down there. So let's try this one more time on camera, and then we'll check the oil. So I don't want to slam it shut. Might have to do it a few times actually to get it going. There we go, it's working now. I gotta clean that down there. Cause that's looking pretty fucking dirty. But yeah, all we needed was some grease, man. So I'll probably buy some white lithium grease. Oh damn, bro. My grill's cracked. I don't know when that happened because it wasn't there last time I closed it. At least I didn't notice it. But I'm gonna go put the glasses on and we'll check the oil. Alright, so I cleaned up some of the tools. I'm gonna leave it like this for now. I gotta throw all that shit out metal. I'm not changing oil. Possibly Monday, I don't know. Maybe after a week of work. I'm probably gonna put like 1,000 miles on it in a week. I'm gonna add this half quart. I need the other half for the oil change because I only got, I think, a half quart of the oil additive. So I need 6 quarts just in case. But I'm gonna add this. And that'll probably wrap up this video. So, shit went a lot easier than I thought it was going to. But yeah, I mean, putting a thing on the bottom was a bitch. I hate splash shields, but this car, there's no getting around not having one, because this car, it's just, what's it called? There's just so much of an opening, you need it 100%. And whatever that is good. Look how good I am, man. Now we're gonna put this with the rest of my stuff, put the cap back on, and we'll check it. This is why I wore the glasses before. My memory's full on the glasses. I had to import all the footage really quick before they died. So, gonna hit that with some brake clean on the rag after I check this oil, because that's really just annoying the fuck out of me. I already wiped this before, I might not have to wipe it again. Nah, I gotta wipe it, oh well. I tried. Trying to do this with one hand sucks. Anyway, bring that bitch up. Damn near full. I'm not gonna waste any more oil because I'm literally about to be changing it, so I'm not too worried. Put it in. And I'm gonna spray some fucking brake clean on it. I know I got some left in here. I don't want it's on the ground. Ooh, that was close to my glasses. I don't want that. Never that. This was leaking a little bit when I had it sitting for like 3 weeks. Because it was weighing. Because I took the pump off that night, the AC compressor, I mean. So, wipe some of this down. A little dusty. And we're done. Throw this out and do one more successful hood close and pop. Alright. Boom. Gonna do one more open and close. I got a wash down here. I didn't know how dirty it was. Perfect. We're good, boys. Gonna take a quick fucking shower now, start cooking dinner, and then back it up. We're good. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to comment, rate, subscribe. Really tried with this one with the editing, so it took a little bit of time to edit it, but yeah, that's gonna be it. I will try to do the oil change. I can't justify 2,300 mile oil change, especially with the way oil prices are going up recently. So, but yeah, remember to comment, rate, subscribe, peace.